I cannot live. I cannot die. Now back to the world that we've become. Brianda, now tell me about Hurricane Kalama. How did you feel about that? Well, Hurricane Kalama, see, it was such a hard thing on the African people. In the African world. You see, the words that I'm trying to explain here do not make sense at all. And I really don't know what I'm talking about, but I tried to sound as smart as possible, so people think that I do. Yes. Now, when you crossed the Arabian Desert, did you see any people walking there, or was it a land of exile with absolutely no terrorists? Well, the immigration system in Mexico, I said the pinche Arabian, not Mexico, ma'am. Do not know I understand English. Sorry. Okay, I saw terrorism in Arabia, yes. I was trying to cross the border with a bag of tortillas. Now, do those taste good or are tortillas nasty? Tortillas are nasty. Yes, very, very nasty. But we should go get our nails done tomorrow. Yours are done, Jack. No, I need to get new ones. I don't have money. How am I going to get money? You tell your mom. Give me some money. Okay, just get them painted. No.